Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are here to show you how to fix low memory on Roblox Mobile. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Settings app and scroll down and tap on General. In General, scroll again and click on iPhone Storage. Here, search for the app Roblox. If you find it, tap on it. Here we can see two options available on our screen, offload app or delete app. As we can say, you need to delete the app to fix the low memory of Roblox. Deleting the Roblox app from your mobile device can help you remove its data and unnecessary files stored locally. By deleting the app, you can reclaim this storage space, which can potentially improve overall device performance and reduce memory related issues. After deleting the Roblox app, you can reinstall it from the respective app store for your device. So you can download the new and updated version of the Roblox. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.